Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important question, um, how to sort a given list, how to sort a given list in ascending or descending order. So this question is, guys, very common to asking in an interview. Answer this is logic is very useful when we implement any code in like in Java or Java 8, guys. So here, like I have implemented the logic usually for sorting any list. Like here, I am taking a string, but I will show you by taking string and integer both kind of list. So let's see into the IntelliJ, guys. Okay. Okay. So here, see, I have taken two lists. Like I have taken two list, guys. One is list integer name. Sorry, list integer. This is num list, guys. Okay, suppose num list one. Okay, and so in num list we am taking an integer like arrays dot as this 535137 2, and here I'm taking the second list of names like list string name list to arrays dot as list banana apple mango orange everything. Okay, so we are going to sort this. So there are very simple way and simple method it is giving to sort. So usually for sorting, I will take another list of to store sorted list, and here I have taken another list of integer sorted list one. So I am using stream method. It will convert this list to stream, and now we are using sorted method. Sorted directly, it will sort into natural sorting order, guys, into ascending order it will sort. And now we are collecting using two list, guys. See, same method we are using sorted dot two list, like sorted only will use for the integer and sorted only will be used for here this string array. We have this string list and we have this integer list. But for those everyone sorting, it will use sorted method only. So let us see by running this code, guys. Very simple logic, guys, but sometimes we forgot how to sort in usually in Java 8. If you go to any other like there is little bit difficult logic, but in Java 8 directly using sorted method, it is not sort method. Sometimes we forgot this method sort. It is not sort, it is sorted method, guys. See, so it is sorting 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and apple, banana, mango, orange. It is sorting into the natural like sorting order in ascending order, guys. So now we have to reverse the in descending order. Suppose so. Suppose we have to reverse directly into like in descending order. So for descending order, we have to in sorted method we have to pass the collectors dot reverse sorted on collectors dot. Here is guys actually reverse order is there. Collections. We can use collections also. Collections dot reverse order we can use here. So yes, collection dot reverse order. So it will reverse the order of sorting, like it will print into descending order. Suppose we have for integer we have seen, see, now it is giving 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. This is the reverse order of this integer array. We are using collections dot reverse order. And same way we can use for this string array also, guys. Collections dot reverse order. Here we have this using collections dot reverse order we can sort. In reverse order also we can use this comparator also, guys. If we use comparator, news collection or comparator, both we can use. Reverse order method is available in both, guys. See, this also it is reversing same. So we should not be confused. We can use any one comparator or this like collections. This was way to reverse, but here we are reversing this string array or integer array. Here we are taking two extra like collections, two extra like list of integer and list of string. Suppose we don't want to take extra space. If we want to make improve our space complexity for this, so what we can do, guys? So for that, just we will you also we can remove this line also, not required. So for optimize the space complexity directly we can sort using this list. No need to even take extra list. We will convert in stream dot sorted dot for each dot for each directly we will print, guys. See, guys, so this logic how it is working. Very simple code in simple way, guys. See, it is printing in very like efficient. It is also see, sorting 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Next time to print ln. Okay. This way we can sort. Likewise, we can see now it is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. It is returning. Now we can sort this second list. Suppose name list dot stream dot sorted dot for each. These are the method pipeline, guys, in Stream API. We should know how it works. Dot println. Out colon println, guys. Okay. See how it is sorting the names: apple, banana, mango. So here this is the memory efficient logic, guys. Directly we can sort this list without using any extra list, guys. We can get the result only in single line. Otherwise, we had to take declare new uh, new list And after that we have to sort and store that print into another. Also here if we talk here we can take use lambda expression as well also guys. Suppose here we can take system. If you want to print in more style, system dot out dot println take x. Same way here also we can take this. Dot println. Suppose you want to give space. Okay. Okay. Let's see guys. See, it is printing it is printing into one line because I taken pre. Let's print to plain again. See now, it is printing 1 2 3 5 7 and apple orange banana. Suppose we print only single line this. It is going to print 1 2 3 5 7. Like it is going to sort and print guys. Same way if I this one I am taking. See, apple, banana, mango. So just we are printing into the single line, and we are here also we can take lambda expression also for it. So I showed you in 2 3 ways to uh, reverse the order and also to print the. Here also we can do reverse order, guys. Less than dot. We can use anyone like comparator dot comparator dot reverse order. Here we can use collections dot reverse order. Guys, so hope it is clear, guys. Okay, see this is printing out in the reverse order. In a single line, we can print into descending or ascending order. No need to take extra space or extra storage or collection, guys. So this was for today's logic, guys. In if you have any doubt, any question, you can ping me in comment or you can drop me the comment. You can ask me. I will look into that and I will reply you back, guys. If you want any some specific question or if you want any some specific logic or concept into Java 8 or you want anything from core Java or like the Java new features, Java 17 or Java 21, anyone, you can ping me up. I will definitely come with new videos regarding that. Guys. Hope this logic is clear. And now, if you understand how to sort actually the arrays into ascending and descending order properly, then basis of sorting we can get different questions, different logic, like how to get like how to get the highest number in this, how to get the second highest, how to get the smallest number in a given list. So these are the basic logic, but all works mainly basis on the sorted, like sorted method, guys. And we will use some other method also after sorting. Then we'll show you other ways. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching so far, guys. Have a nice day.